Your drawing units now displays on screen. So if you look at your status bar at the bottom, you will see it displays your drawing units. Now this is a survey drawing, so it's supposed to be in meters. Now as you can see, it displays an M, so this is correct. If I go to another drawing, this also presents a survey drawing, you will see that my drawing units is in meters. Because previously, if there was no units assigned to your drawing, so I'm going to open a drawing that I know there's no units assigned. But Caddie will then tell you, your drawing has no units assigned. Go to Configure Model Space Workspace to assign units. So if I say OK, that means no units is assigned. So if I look at my status bar, it says none. So I can now change it to millimeters because that's the correct drawing units I want to use. Or I can go to my model space, workspace setup, and whatever I set to my base unit over here is exactly the same. So let's just change it here to meters. If I say OK, you will see that in my status bar it displays meters, but I know it needs to be millimeters, so I can change it in my status bar to millimeters. So now my drawing units is set, so now I can save the file. Next time I open it, the drawing units will display and it will be correct.